The 369 Method, Manifestation using the power of numbers. The 369 Method is a popular manifestation technique that harnesses the power of repetition and numerology to help individuals bring their desires to reality. This method, inspired by the famed inventor and physicist Nikola Tesla, is based on the belief that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 hold special significance in the universe. Here's a detailed exploration of the 369 Method, how it works, and how you can use it to manifest your dreams. Origins and significance of 3, 6, and 9. Nikola Tesla's theory. Nikola Tesla famously said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." Tesla believed that these numbers were fundamental to the universe and had a special connection to the divine and the energy patterns of the cosmos. Numerology. In numerology, numbers are believed to have specific vibrations and energies. The number 3 represents creativity, communication, and expression. The number 6 signifies harmony, balance, and love. The number 9 symbolizes completion, fulfillment, and spiritual enlightenment. Together, these numbers are thought to amplify one's intentions and help in manifesting desires. The 369 Manifestation Method. How it works. The 369 Method involves writing down your manifestation desires 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times in the evening. This practice is repeated daily, typically for 21 or 33 days, depending on the specific approach. Steps to follow. Define your desire. Be clear and specific about what you want to manifest. The more detailed you are, the better. Write down your desire in a concise and positive statement as if it has already happened. Example: I am grateful for my new, fulfilling job that pays $80,000 a year. Morning session, 3 times. Write down your manifestation statement 3 times in the morning. Focus on the words and the feeling of already having what you desire. Visualize it clearly in your mind. Afternoon session, 6 times. Write the same statement 6 times in the afternoon. Reconnect with the emotions and visualization, strengthening your intention and belief. Evening session, 9 times. Write the statement 9 times in the evening. End your day by embedding this desire deeply into your subconscious mind, reinforcing your intention with positive energy and certainty. Repeat daily. Continue this practice daily for 21 or 33 days. Consistency is key to embedding the desire into your subconscious and aligning your vibrational frequency with your goal. Enhancing the 369 Method. Visualization. While writing your statements, take a moment to close your eyes and visualize your desire as already fulfilled. Engage all your senses in this visualization to make it more vivid and powerful. Affirmations. Complement your 369 writing practice with positive affirmations related to your desire. This helps reinforce your belief and maintain a positive mindset. Gratitude. Express gratitude for what you are manifesting as if you already have it. Gratitude amplifies positive energy and aligns you with the frequency of abundance. Journaling. Keep a manifestation journal to track your progress, feelings, and any synchronicities or signs you notice. This can help you stay motivated and focused. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Lack of clarity. Ensure your manifestation statement is clear and specific. Vague desires can lead to vague results. Inconsistency. Stick to the practice every day without skipping sessions. Consistency is crucial for embedding your desire into your subconscious mind. Impatience. Trust the process and be patient. Manifestation takes time and requires faith and persistence. Negative mindset. Maintain a positive mindset and avoid negative self-talk. Doubts and negativity can create resistance and block your manifestation. Conclusion. The 369 method is a powerful manifestation technique that leverages the significance of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, along with the power of repetition and focused intention. By clearly defining your desires, consistently writing them down, and maintaining a positive and grateful mindset, you can align yourself with the frequency of your goals and attract them into your reality. Embrace this practice with faith and dedication, and watch as the universe works to bring your dreams to life.